Lighting. When we talk about lighting, lighting is so important in any photographer. A photographer told me one time, you can make everybody look good if the lighting is correct.
I'm not sure. I looked in the mirror this morning, Karsten. Okay, but lighting is important.
So
lighting is important.
What are lighting? Lighting creates shadows and lighting creates reflections.
That's correct.
And in some cases we don't want this. In some cases we don't want shadows. In some cases we don't want reflections. So
That's true.
different cameras have different lighting options. We talked a little bit about the dual flash and we talked a little bit about the ring flash. But what about these onboard cameras? What is the disadvantages of the onboard camera? And we can see in this picture what happens.
Right, exactly. So if you have, for example, a pop-up flash, so the picture we have is where you see the shadows underneath the lip on the retracted anterior picture. And because the flash sits up high on the compact camera, hit the upper lips, causing a shadow, and aesthetically minded people may not want that on there, on that picture.
No,
correct?
It looks a little bit distracting.
It is.
So that's why you need to use a professional camera with a ring flash or a dual point flash, and
Right.
you're holding a ring flash there.
That's just a ring flash.
Yeah,
right?
and you get a nice photo that lightens up the entire room.
Exactly. So that's a great example of why we get these flashes the way we do, and what the advantages are of some cameras over another, and depending on, again, the type of picture that you're taking. We all want things to be aesthetically pleasing, but those are some good examples of both.
Yeah.